Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Andrew, and as you can see there's some very heavy rain. So we're just going to make a video about driving in the rain in Jamaica. We are on Oliver Road. We just came off Constant Spring Road, and there's some flooding on this area of the road. Wow. It's been a while since I've seen flooding like this, but the rain just started to fall, so clearly something is wrong with the drains on this road, because look at the water going over the sidewalk. Oh man, this is not supposed to happen. We're in an SUV, so we should be okay. But this is a lot of water on the road, and the rain just started to fall like 5-10 minutes ago. As you can see, the sidewalk is totally covered. On the right is the Constant Spring Golf Club, just to give you an idea where we are. This section of the road had a lot of potholes, but when the Royals came to visit, they were going to a school off this road, so the road was fixed, was patched. So can you imagine, you're driving, the water covers the road, covers the sidewalk, so you can't see the potholes. So that's why everybody's taking their time and going through the water. And some of the potholes are really deep. So when it rains like this, you can't see them. But the drains are clearly blocked on this road, because it's not supposed to be like this. Okay, there's a drain on the left. You can see the water going down. Or maybe the drains are okay and it's just need more drains. Not sure. Okay, on the right, that's where a drain is supposed to be, but that one is clearly blocked. On the left now is a Shortwood Teachers College field. If we turn right on this road, we go down to Allardyce. Okay, we're now going on to Shortwood Road, and straight ahead is the Stella Maris Church. If we turn left at this intersection, we would go into Aylsham. On the left is the entrance to the Stella Maris Church. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.